Earn $100 a day on YouTube doing nothing. YouTube is a source of massive earning for millions across the world. People make videos of themselves, upload them, and earn money. But not everyone wants to show their face or make videos, although they still want to earn money through YouTube. Are you one of these people? If yes, then this video is for you. Stay tuned to find the secret of earning online through YouTube by doing nothing. If you find the topic interesting, give this video a thumbs up and hit the red button to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get into the video. So we are going to learn how we can earn money using YouTube. The monetization of a YouTube channel requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And this is really hard to get. We will tell you a way to earn through YouTube videos without monetization. And once the monetization is done, a lot of money can be made with ads on another side we will share later. What kind of videos do we need to make on YouTube? These include workout videos on this channel and workout music. Choosing this category for making videos has many reasons. One reason is that such videos attract quite a lot of views, and this is directly proportional to more money. You can see that the most popular video of workout music has 17 million views since the day it was uploaded. Wow! Other videos on the channel have millions of views as well. People are highly drawn to such videos. The second reason for going to this specific category is that these videos are the easiest to make. All you need is an image and audio, that's all. If we open the most popular video of this channel with 17 million views, we see that there is only one still image through the entire video. These images can be found online, and we will tell you the site to find high-quality images as well as the audio. However, newer videos on workout music have some video clips in the beginning. These video clips last for just a fraction of the video, and the remaining portion is that still image again. What you need to do next is to come over to this website called socialblade.com and search for the exact same channel we did on YouTube. The site shows how good this channel is doing, and it's super great. Here you can see the monthly income of this channel that is between 1,000 to 16,700. The amount lies somewhere in between, but according to us, it must be around the upper limit, that is 16.7K. We believe it to be at least 10,000 a month. Why? Because the videos on this channel are very long. Since lengthy videos fit more and more ads, the income is significantly higher. What's interesting to note is that the channel only has 99 videos. This means even with a smaller number of videos, high earnings can be made. Let's talk about how we can make these types of videos. First, let us see where we can find the images and clips from. From that, we've got a list of sources. Pixabay.com is one such site. Another is thepexels.com. The clips and images found on this website can be used for free without any copyright issues. You can search for images and clips related to the channel using keywords like gym, fitness, etc. Thousands of amazing images will appear. You can see that this image fits our category. Just click on the free download option over here and you have the image. This arrow button here gives you a list of resolutions to choose from for the image. Both these websites work great. And if you want to download video clips, go over here and click on the video segment. Download it in the exact same way as you did the image. But in our opinion, video should not be downloaded. Using images works fantastic as well. This is justified by the fact that most popular videos of workout music had only a single image. Now it's time to find the audio. For that, YouTube Audio Library is the best choice. Click this option and thousands of songs without any copyright issues will appear. Now we need to find the type of songs for our videos. Since fitness is the category, let us find something related to that. Go to the search or filter library bar and filter by genre and mood. You may choose options such as inspirational in the mood section. After finding the perfect one for your video, just click on the download button. You need 6 to 10 songs for creating one video. That is 30 to 40 minutes long. You have downloaded the video and audio, but how are you going to make the video? Stay with us to find out. Once the images or clips and audio is downloaded, you need a video editing software that is going to make your video. OpenShot is a perfect one out there. Go over to openshot.org to make use of it. This software is absolutely free. Use Sony Vegas to create these videos. It's easy as well. You need to upload all the songs you want to add to this video, with the image above them. Drag the image to the end so that the video matches the audio. That's it. This is what you also need to do in OpenShot as well. Now that your video is created, we have a special website as a bonus for you. The website is called kit.co. It maximizes your earning potential before your account gets monetized. Kit.co helps you make a collection of your favorite products. A variety of products can be grouped together with this website. For example, you can add gym products to promote it, and it will attract so many people. About 10 to 15 products can be added at a time. Sign up for an account on the website and you will be logged in. Click on the plus sign over here and search the product. Click Done and you will be given a link. This link can make you money depending on the number of people opening it and buying the product. It can help you earn massive money online. So that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends. Hit the subscribe and like button, and stay tuned for more amazing content.